Good day, everyone. Welcome back to JBSWiki. Imagine a production system where alert fires at 2 a.m., engineers scramble through logs, someone checks monitoring dashboards, another person checks deployments, and someone else restarts services. Now, imagine if an AI agent could investigate the problem, gather logs, correlate metrics, suggest fixes, and even execute remediation steps before your customer even notices the issue. That is exactly what Azure SRE Agent aims to do. In today's video, I will explain what Azure SRE Agent is, what scheduler task means, how it handles incidents, what it means to build a custom agent. And I will also give you a real world example scenario so you can understand where this becomes extremely powerful. Let's first discuss what is an Azure SRE agent. Yeah? Azure SRE agent is essentially an AI powered operational assistant for site reliability engineering. Its goal is to reduce operational toil by automating routine and complex operational tasks across Azure environments and other connected systems. Instead of manually checking logs, investigating alerts, switching between dashboards, or writing scripts, an SRE agent can connect to monitoring tools, incident systems, and infrastructure APIs, analyze what's happening, and execute the right actions automatically. Another powerful aspect is that the agent learns over time. Each investigation and response becomes part of its internal knowledge so that future incidents can be handled very fast. Think of it as a virtual SRE teammate that continuously monitors your environment and helps maintain reliability. Now, let's understand the three very practical areas where it is going to actually help everyone. Before we move forward, if you want details like how to configure, deploy SRE agent, I would request you to look at my previous videos where I discuss step by step how to deploy and configure SRE agent. The first feature that we're gonna discuss is scheduling a task. Yeah. So now if you see here, we have this scheduled task here. A scheduled task means you define a routine operation and specify when it should run. Yeah. For example, let's say daily, hourly, or after a certain event, if you want something to happen, then this would be your go-to place. Yeah. In Azure SRE Agent, scheduled tasks can automate workflows like monitoring checks, maintenance validation, or security scans that run periodically without any kind of manual intervention. Yeah. Instead of someone remembering to run a script every day, the agent performs the action consistently. Let's discuss a simple example. Yeah. Imagine a production API used across the country. You can create a scheduled task that says every day at 9 a.m., check the health of critical APIs, verify database connectivity, review error logs, alert the team if anomalies appear. Yeah, the agent interprets your intent, executes the workflow, and sends the results across. Under the hood, the system translates these instructions into operational steps using Azure tools and connected systems. Yeah. So if I talk about a real world example, think of a large digital e-commerce platform running a festive sale across India. Traffic spikes dramatically at midnight during launch. Let's say a scheduled task could check the database health before the sale, validate cache availability, verify scaling policies for VM or Kubernetes clusters, monitor error rates every 5 minutes. Yeah. If something deviates, the agent flags or resolves it automatically. Instead of engineers manually checking dashboards, the agent proactively validates everything ahead of time. Yeah. Another good example would be like, let's say you have a junior DBA whose everyday task is like every day at 9 a.m. He has to check all the database servers and then make sure like everything looks okay. Yeah, I would call it as a morning checks. Now, what you can do is like you can do the same thing using the scheduled task, yeah, where you can list the things that needs to be done, and then the SRE agent will be able to completely check each and everything and then alert you if there is going to be any problem. And again, this video is just about explaining each of the things. Yeah. Yeah. In future videos, what I'll do is like I will demo each of the things here. Yeah. And that would be like more clear. But what I want is like you need to understand the core concepts of each of these things before we can do the actual demos. The next feature that I'll be discussing is handling an incident. Yeah. So if you look at like as far as the handling an incident is concerned, it is one of the most powerful capabilities that SRE agent is going to offer us. Yeah. In modern systems, incidents often involve multiple steps. Yeah. Alert appears in monitoring system, someone checks logs, someone else checks deployments, engineers correlate events, finally someone implements a remediation. Each of these steps actually takes time, and also like collaboration is also required between the resources. Yeah. On the other hand, Azure SRE Agent can automate the entire investigation and response workflow, reducing the time it takes to resolve the incident. Yeah, the agent can actually collect logs, analyze metrics, assess recent configuration or deployment changes, determine probable root cause, and propose or execute mitigation steps as well. Yeah, this kind of significantly reduces mean time to recovery. Uh, if I take an example, imagine a popular food delivery application used across multiple cities in India. Suddenly, the order API becomes slow. Yeah. Normally, engineers like you and me would check CPU or memory spikes, database latency, recent deployments, network issues, and so on. Yeah. So there are so many things, and you might require different people from different teams. Like for example, someone from the Azure infra, someone from the Azure database. Then you need to get on a call, discuss among yourself, and everyone would put the blame on others. So it's going to take a lot of time, to be fair. Yeah. But on the other hand, an SRE agent can gather all of this automatically and say latency increased because database queries in the latest deployment or causing a heavy load, such as reverting the deployment, like basically a rollback of what was deployed. Instead of investigating manually for, say, 1 or 2 hours, the root cause might appear in a few minutes. Yeah. The shift from reactive investigation to automated reasoning is a big step towards modern SRE. Third feature in our list is going to be building a custom agent. Yeah. Uh, while there are general capabilities, more enterprises run every specific workloads and tools, like say internal monitoring systems, deployment platforms, CI/CD pipelines, ticketing tools. Azure SRE Agent allows teams to build specialized agents tailored for their environment. Each custom agent can connect to certain data sources, integrate with operational systems, execute predefined workflows, use specific tools or APIs. Yeah. In other words, you can create domain experts. Let's say, for example, database reliability agent that monitors query performance, a deployment verification agent that checks application rollout quality, a security audit agent that periodically scans configurations. Agent can also trigger automatically when an event occurs. Yeah, perform investigation steps and communicate results back to the operation team. So instead of one giant automated system, you design multiple intelligent agents that basically collaborate with one another. Let's discuss why this is gonna matter for engineers. Yeah, from a practical standpoint, SRE engineers spend a significant amount of time on repetitive operational work, like say checking dashboards, running investigation queries, correlating system signals, and following manual runbooks. Yeah, Azure SRE Agent aims to turn these into automated intelligence workflows. Instead of writing scripts or long troubleshooting guides, engineers can describe the intent of what they want to happen. Yeah, and the agent executes the steps for them. This means faster problem resolutions, fewer operational errors, more time for architecture and innovation. In other words, the agent becomes a reliability multiplier for operations team. Azure SRE agent represents an interesting shift from reactive operations to AI assisted reliability engineering. In this video, we discussed what Azure SRE agent is, how scheduled tasks automate routine checks, how agents handle incidents and diagnose issues, and how custom agents allow organizations to automate their own workflows. As updated earlier, if you want to check how to create your Azure SRE agent, I recommend you to look at my previous videos where I discuss this step by step. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to JBSWiki for deep dive Azure and engineering content. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.